everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. It's time for another episode of
What's on the back of the box?
Today, I'm turning around this bag of raspberry oranges that I found at Aldi. They're also known as blood oranges. They have a hint of berry taste and a deep red color. You could absolutely use regular oranges too, if that's all you can find. But on the back, there is a super tasty salad. It's called raspberry orange balsamic vinaigrette salad with grilled chicken. I thought, being that it's January of a new year, I'd like to try a lighter, healthier recipe, and this totally fit the bill. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get started. And that's
What's on the back of the